Spring is here, and so is the busiest home buying season of the year. But before you start touring homes, you need a game plan. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate homebuyer checklist to help you find the right home, without stress or surprises. Before you even browse listings, make sure your finances are in shape. Check your credit score. A higher score equals better mortgage rates. Calculate your budget. Factor in your down payment, closing costs, and monthly payments. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This makes you a serious buyer and gives you a competitive edge. Skipping this step? You could fall in love with a home you can't afford, or lose out to a pre-approved buyer. Before you start shopping, be clear about what you need versus what you want. Must-haves: number of bedrooms, location, commute time, school district. Deal breakers: busy streets, small backyards, outdated layouts. Nice-to-haves: smart home features, finished basements, home offices. A clear checklist keeps you focused and prevents emotional overspending. The right home is about more than just the house. It's about the lifestyle. Explore neighborhoods in person. Drive through at different times of the day. Check recent home prices. Know what homes are selling for, not just their listing price. Understand market timing. Spring is competitive, so be ready to act fast. A little research now saves you time and frustration later. An experienced agent helps you navigate the market, spot good deals, and negotiate the best price. Work with an expert who knows your target area. Schedule showings and ask the right questions. Compare homes carefully before making an offer. With the right preparation, you'll be ready to buy with confidence. Want more expert home buying tips? Connect with a lifestylevideos.com real estate expert today for exclusive insights and resources.